Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone are doing great. Today we are going to see the lesson A Tale of Two Birds. This lesson we are going to see the main idea of how one's company can impact one's behavior. Let's move to the story. There was a mother bird. It lived with two newborn baby birds in the forest. It made a nest in a long high tree. One day there was a heavy wind, lightning, thunder. All the trees it started fell on the floor. The tree where mother as well as two baby birds were lived, that's also fell on the floor. Suddenly a big long branch it came and hit the nest of the mother bird. The mother, she killed by the branch, but fortunately those two baby birds were saved. Because of the wind, they got separated. First bird, it went near the cave where a gang of robbers are living. Second bird, it went near Rishi ashrams. They started growing up. One day a king, he went inside the forest for hunting. He saw a deer. He started chasing the deer. The deer, it went very deep of the forest. King, he missed his way. He started finding his way, but he couldn't. He came to the other side of the forest. He got tired, so he wanted to take rest. He got off from his house. He tied his house in a tree. After that, he sat on. Suddenly, he could hear the voice. When he was taking rest under the tree, he could hear the sound. What was the sound? Let's see. Sound of a bird. The bird, it was giving information to the robbers that come first and take his house as well as his jewels. Suddenly the king, he looked up. He could find a big brown bird. It was sitting on the tree and was giving information to someone. Suddenly he could hear the sound from the cave even. The king, he understood something and immediately he left the place. He started traveling on his horse and he reached near the ashrama. There he could find a tree and he got up from the horse. He tied his horse in the tree and he sat under the tree. There he started taking the rest. While again he could hear the sound of the same bird, but the sentence, it was different. Welcome to ashrama. Go inside, take rest. There is a water in the pot. You just go and feel yourself comfortable. Heard by the king. The king, he got wondered. Again he just looked up. He could find there was a big bird sat under the tree and it was giving instruction very politely. The king, who got confusion, suddenly the second bird was telling to the king that brown big bird you met before, he was my brother. We were not talking because he kept the company with the robbers. So he was speaking the way how they were speaking. I came here, I stayed with Rishi, so I am welcoming you behalf of him. Suddenly Rishi, he came. And the king, he started explaining everything. He asked him a doubt, how was it possible? The Rishi, he welcomed the king and both of them went inside. Then after that he told that how one's company can impact one's behavior. The first bird, it kept the company with the gang of robbers, so he was speaking the same how they were speaking. But this second bird, it came here, so it was imitating how we were. And this forest, it filled with lot of surprises. I would tell you more stories about the forest. This is how the writer who ended his story. Here he wanted to convey that how one's company can impact one's behavior. If we are keeping company with good person, we will reflect the good thing. If we are keeping company with a bad person, we will also reflect the bad thing to others. You just think, decide it and act according to that. Thank you.